Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to wear skates that are too big. This will be an easy tutorial and I'll be giving you very simplistic instructions. So let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see, I have a skate here and I do have to apologize about the dust that's on it. It has been sitting in my garage for a long time. I've just been waiting to use it for some content. And I sort of said, okay, you know what, it's time. So I figured I would use it for this video right here, which is if your skates are too big, how to wear them, okay? So yeah, excuse the dust. I do apologize on the cobwebs, but we're gonna roll with it. Anyways, obviously I would recommend, if you have the choice to wear a skate that fits right, obviously choose the skate that fits right, okay? But when it comes to wearing a skate that's either too big or too small, squishing your foot into a skate that's too small can probably be kind of painful. So maybe you're better off wearing a skate that's just slightly too big. Now I will say this, if the skate is too big and you're thinking about wearing it, you should only even think about wearing it when it is slightly too big, okay? If it is too big to the point where you're like, you know what, this is pretty big on me, then you should not be wearing it, plain and simple. Because skates, okay, skates themselves, okay, need to fit your foot snugly. So I'm talking about if it is just a tiny bit too big, then maybe you can utilize these methods and these techniques, excuse me. If it's too big, then don't do this. Don't wear this skate. If it's slightly too big, then maybe you can utilize these techniques. Okay, so I'm talking about like literally half a size too big, like just something very small. Anyways, use your judgment, exercise caution, make sure safety is always at the front of your mind. And these are the things that I would do if I was wearing a skate that was slightly too big. You can take them with a grain of salt, you can take them or leave them. You can make your own decisions, but these are just sort of what I would do if I was wearing a skate that was slightly too big. That's the key there, slightly too big. If your skate is, too big to the point where you're like, this is pretty big, don't wear it. Plain and simple, don't wear it, okay? If it's slightly too big, just ever so slightly too big, just like this much too big, then you can probably utilize these techniques, okay? Anyways, there are two things you can do to put on a skate that's too big. Number one is wear double socks, okay? So you can literally, instead of wearing one pair of socks, you can wear a second pair of socks. Now, yeah, you can wear thicker socks too, that works well, but thicker socks will still compress, whereas wearing double socks, even if they compress, you're still gonna get two layers. So you can put on a second pair of socks, and that second pair of socks will start to make up that little bit of a difference where the skate is too big, okay? And also number two, the second thing that you can do is tie them a bit more snugly. So when you're tying the skate up, make sure you tie them a little bit more snugly so then it closes in on the sort of area over here and area over here, so that if they're just slightly too big, it's still gonna sort of feel snug on your foot because you're tying them a bit more snugly, okay? Now here's the thing, you can use either of those. So you can use the double sock method or the tying a bit more snugly method, or you can use both of them together, whatever works. But I will say this once again, you should only think about using these techniques if the skate is slightly too big. If the skate is decently too big, okay, if you're like, wow, this is pretty big, do not use these methods. Do not wear the skate, period. If it's slightly too big, then you can consider taking advantage of these techniques and trying them out, okay? They're really easy to do, and obviously use your own judgment. If the skate feels like it's too big, you shouldn't be wearing it, plain and simple, okay? If the skate feels uncomfortable, you shouldn't be wearing it. If the skate feels loose, even the slightest bit, you shouldn't be wearing it, plain and simple. So use your judgment, exercise caution, keep safety at the front of your mind, and be as safe as you can possibly be, and obviously make your own decisions based on your own rational, good judgment. But that's it. Those are some things that you can do to wear skates that are slightly too big. And hopefully you've enjoyed this video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.